Previously, we set up a simple AI that wanders aimlessly in the level, but what's the point of an enemy AI if it can't catch you? That's right, it has none, but I have the solution for you. Watch this video to the end and you'll have a simple AI that will find players and chase them. The first step to catching the player is to know where they are. We will start by opening up our blueprint from last time, and in the viewport we will want to add a pawn sensing component. Now you should see 3 wireframes that represent the different sensing ranges. For this tutorial, we are doing a sight-only system, so we only need to focus on the green circle that represents the FOV of our enemy. I will change my sight radius to something smaller, like 1500. We can keep everything else at defaults, then we can scroll down till we see the on-see pawn event and press the plus icon next to it to add it to the event graph. Next, we can take a cast to third-person character node from the pawn pin of the on-see pawn node. Next, we can make a bool called seeing player. Then we can go to the pin from the cast node and right-click it and select promote to variable. Call it player followed. Next, we can right-click the event graph and search for a sequence node. Next, from the first pin of the sequence, we can drag out the seeing player bool. We can set it to true. Next, from the other pin, we want to drag out a retriggerable delay and set it to 0.1 seconds longer than our sensing interval, which is 0.5, so set it to 0.6. Then, from that, drag out our seeing player bool and have it set to false. This is to detect when the AI can't see the player anymore. Now that we have a way to tell when we see the player, all we need to do is make it work with our existing system such that it will wander when it is not chasing us. To do this, we can right-click the event graph and search for a tick event node. Then, from it, drag out a branch node using the seeing player bool as the input. From the true, drag out a do once node followed by an AI move to node. For pawn, drag out and search for self. Then, for destination, drag out a get actor location node. Then, for target, use the player followed variable from earlier. Then, from the unlabeled output of the AI move to node, drag it to the reset pin on the do once node, and use redirect nodes by double-clicking the line to make it look better. Then, back at the branch from the false pin, we can drag out another do once node, followed by a move NPC node, followed by a delay set to 4 seconds. Then take the output of the delay to the reset pin and use redirects to make it look better. Now go back up to the move NPC function and remove the delay nodes and the nodes that recall the function. Next, remove the begin play code, then finally you can save and compile it. Now go back to your main map and make sure that you go to the World Settings tab and change the game mode override back to BP underscore third person game mode, as our blueprint requires that to work. Then you can test it by pressing play. When they can't see, they should wander around the level. When they can see you, they should try to chase you. They can't catch you yet, but that'll be worked on in the next episode. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and ring the bell. This will allow you to get notified of my next Unreal tutorial where we will be working on a system to allow the enemy to catch you and reset your game. If you want to see more about AI and Unreal, an end screen should be showing with a playlist of all of my Unreal AI tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Have a great day, and bye for now.